We'll wait. So I am in a candy shop, guys. I'll let you decide, but this looks like a really beautiful candy shop. I don't know. Guys, this is a beautiful place to get inspired. Which one? I know who I can find here, but it's just... Mo! I'm live. This is the best place to go live. Look who I found you. Who else would I find?
Bro, what are you doing? What are you showing them? Another car purchase? Like, come on,
Bro, we're just getting inspired. But check this out.
Bro, have you seen they have 4 Brabus G's?
Yeah, I just started there. But this is just the beginning, guys. Like, look around. One, another Urus, another one. Mo, choose one.
I'd go for red.
If you had to choose, which one would you
Red.
choose?
No, of course the Mansouri one in the front.
You like, the Sharon?
No, Mansouri
Urus. Oh, the Urus. No, I'm saying generally. Look at...
Oh, of course.
I love this, look, you see all these Monster Brabus 6x6, I guess, are those yours. But there's one, this Maybach, which is really, really nice. Check this out. Like 1 or like 10 of them. Guys, this is actually a, how do I say it? It's like a Maybach G-Wagon, and it's convertible, and it's bigger than usual. So, it's so nice. Look at this. So in the back, see? So you can actually open it. So, let's see. So many cars which are beautiful. This is just a good place to get inspired. Look, what? Oh yeah. This one. This is actually beautiful as well. We'll go one by one. So this, that's the same though. This is the, look, you can actually see the Maybach logo here, right? So this is not a regular G-Wagon.
Top off.
Yeah, the top is off. Let's see how it looks inside. Okay. You see? This is not your regular G-Wagon. Alright guys, there's so much more coming. Stay tuned. If we reach 1 million live viewers, what do we do then? No, we will not get to 1 million. Far away. So, okay. Just this view. You tell me which ones you would choose. Beautiful. This is a whole row of sports cars. McLaren, Porsche. Beautiful. Okay, so this looks like the new Phantom. It's also nice. This is huge.
Very nice.
Yeah. You have one, right?
Yes, I have.
So this is really beautiful. So let's see if we can see inside. No, this is dark and out here you can look inside. Okay, now we'll go. At the end, I'll show you the Bugattis. So, check this out. First of all, we are here in the Ferrari section. Look, Mo's working. Okay, you see the behind the scenes.
I haven't seen him for 6 months, and
Live stream.
okay, sorry.
You're a professional, bro. Don't let you get distracted.
I'm excited, reality.
I'm in Saygin's live stream.
Yes.
You
Ruined my
are.
entire vlog.
No, it made it much better. Guys, have you ever seen this? Check this out. Vlogging live.
What?
Look,
What?
I'm behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Okay.
Oh, sorry. So, behind the scenes.
Guys, but as I was saying, the last time I saw Rohan was 6 months ago, and he got me 12 million views. So we're aiming for that. Again.
What?
Let's go.
Yeah. Exactly.
12 million views?
You want to be friends with him? He's like a good charm.
That's nice. How did you make that happen? 12 million.
We made a
Mabruk.
Crash Lambo
Crash
video.
Lamborghini video.
Okay, we'll get you a cloud crash. Man. That's easy. Nice.
The last time I met, we did the Crash Lambo video.
We go to the Bugattis?
Let's go. Bugatti, sure.
Bugattis. Okay, so now the Bugattis are coming. Actually, no. After Ferrari, we go to the Lamborghinis. Check this out. Then we go to the Bugattis. Okay, so you see, this is the Roadster. Let me see. It must be. Is that an SV? Just a regular. Yeah. Actually, it's an Aventador, as you can see. Yeah. This is the SV. Yeah. You see? This is a bit more sporty, as if this wasn't sporty enough. Beautiful. So, now this is actually a very nice showroom. I must say, a lot of money here, right? So, okay, this is also nice. We have the Ferraris here. Okay. The McLarens, beautiful. Oh, there's actually a variant. Let's go to that variant first. So we have one Bugatti here before I show you the Chevron. Which one is your choice? Beautiful. Oh, what's happening? Mo. Nice, right?
Beautiful.
Bro, how do you like this one?
I don't
Honestly.
want to give my comments on it. Like,
No, honestly.
I personally am not a fan. I'm a big Urus fan.
Okay.
I love the Lambo Urus. I think it's amazing, but I think it's too expensive.
Okay, this is expensive. It's like 2.2 something,
Yeah, I'd
right?
rather go half the price and get a Lamborghini Urus.
Okay. Look, if you sit inside, it's really, really comfortable. And I think from the front, it looks like a beast.
But the back.
Yeah, I mean, you have to get used to it, right?
Bro, honestly, what do you think? Do you agree with me?
I think the price is steep, that's true.
I think the price is really high.
And also, I think if you get it from a tuner who makes it look crazy, I think like maybe I think, does Mansouri does it? Yeah, I think they do. I've seen actually one. And then it looks really beastie. But, you know, it's definitely a crazy car. It's good. Nothing here is bad. Just don't get us wrong. Nothing here is bad. You can hear it. So, now. This is beautiful. Wow. Nice. Really, really nice. Oh, guys, look what we have here. The LaFerrari. Beautiful. All right, guys, I hope you liked the tour a little bit of this candy shop. I want to see your choice. Just write down what you would like to see. No, I'd like to see what would you like to buy if it was all free, right? Just choose anything. It's just beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.